be thinking that why I'm so dressed up today. So a lot of young girls like me who want to wear modern and trendy outfits can't wear sleeveless ones because they don't want to show off their straps and it looks very awkward in public places. So today I'm going to be showing you some beaded straps which are very fancy, very trendy and the latest designs, and all women of all age can wear these because they are very trendy and they are available in different colors and they are affordable as well. So I'll show you that I'm wearing this dress along with this strap. So as you all can see that my simple dress today looks so beautiful and trendy because of the strap that I'm wearing. It just jazzes up your clothes. So to add a little glitz and glam to your outfit, you all can try these straps. And today I'll wear a few outfits and pair up my straps along with it and share a few pictures with you guys so that you all come to know how you all can pair up straps with your outfits. So I hope you all will enjoy watching the video, and please give it a thumbs up. If you all do, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with others who too love to wear such different outfits and you all want to wear straps along with it. And it's a perfect gifting item as well for birthdays, and you all can also give, brothers can give it to their sisters for Raksha Bandhan as well. So it's a perfect gifting accessory. So I hope you all will enjoy watching. So without further ado, let's go and get started. So guys, I'll just show you one of the sample pieces that I have and you all can just have a look at how you all can wear it. So here is one of the piece that I have. They come in two pieces, one for the left and one for the right, and it's available in this beautiful blue color, sea blue color, and they are all very adjustable and stretchable, so it does not have to be of a perfect size because it's elastic in nature. And they have bolt rings on the top as well as on the bottom, so you all can just press them and you all can attach it wherever you want, like this. And you can even remove it when it's not needed. So these are very different, and they are available in a lot of color options as well and available in different prices. So I hope you all will like these. Bye.